This chapter introduces many commands which are used in programming the microprocessor. I'll try to illustrate as best we can without the hardware. To decrement means to subtract by 1. In this case, we are going to decrement index register X. If index register X, let's say, had AA, and if we decrement, then we subtract 1 from AA, which gives us A9. This is an inherent command, and neither one of the accumulators has been touched. And also there is decrement Y, which does the same thing to index register Y. To negate something, it means to take a number and make it a negative. Let's say we have accumulator A loaded with 1A, and we want to make that into a negative number. First, we take 1A and express that in binary, which would be 0001, 1010. The first complement means to take each digit and take the opposite. We then take the 2's complement by adding 1 to the first complement, which gives us 1110010. And then we notice that the most significant bit is a 1 or a high, which means that this is a negative number. What is a negative number in hexadecimal is E6. This means we have now negated our original number. Logic instructions mean that we're going to take a number and then run that number through a logic gate. In this example, we load accumulator A with the number AA, but then we're going to AND it with the number 22. In this case, the number 22 is considered a mask. We take each and every digit through an AND gate. That means that we only get a 1 out when both inputs are 1, which means that only certain numbers, certain digits got through the AND gate, and so the number has changed completely. We could think that what the AND gate has accomplished is to isolate certain digits and only allow certain digits to get through. In shift right commands, we're going to take data and move it to the right as many times as we need. In this example, we take the number 80 and then we're going to shift right 3 times. Notice that then the digit moves to the right 3 times, but the important thing to notice is that each time we shift to the right, we add a leading 0. Unless we have data coming in, the microprocessor will keep adding zeros. This section is only the beginning of the many commands, and I think later on I'm going to add a part 2 for this chapter to illustrate more commands.